I grew up working on gas pumps. I mean, I couldn't even tell you how many I worked on over 15 or 20 years. And when I first saw them in the storage shed, of course, they were in pretty shabby condition. The doors were pretty much bent up. First thing I did, of course, was take the doors off. Took the sides and the tops off and put those in my pickup to take to my shop to be sanded and painted. We took the electric motors out, we took the air eliminators out, we took the metering units out. All we left were just the computers, made them much lighter, much easier to handle. As you will notice on these gas pumps that are behind me now, the regular is 28.9 cents per gallon, which is $2.89 for 10 gallons. And the premium, being a little higher grade, was 30.9, $3.09 for 10 gallons. I just think it's so much fun and give people a glimpse, you know, of what it was like in the 40s and 50s. It gives you a little bit better idea of where we're at today and how we got there.